Welcome to the House of Mini. Now, today we are going to talk about something that we use to stick our miniatures while we are still not decided where actually it has to be placed and that it doesn't come off. So, I'll show you two things that we use. One is the tape and one is the museum wax. Now, the tape that we use, usually what miniature artists will do is will tear a small piece and then they'll try do it, fold it, put it behind the thing that they want to stick, and then they'll go ahead and try and stick it, and so that it stays. Just most of the miniatures, when they're doing a setting, they will try and stick things around on a temporary basis so that it doesn't fall off and that they get a picture how the whole thing is going to look like. But with this tape, the problem is that it in a day or two it will come off and will also leave some kind of marks. So what we do is we use something which is known as the museum wax. This is available online. I have this wax for nearly 4 years that I've been working on miniatures, and this is really good if you want to held on things for quite some while, like 3-4 days, 5 days. While you're working on it, the things do not just come off the walls or the place that you've kept it, and it gives you a clean, neat look and also does not leave any marks. Now let's see how I've done this. If you open, it's going to be a clear gel kind of a thing, and you have to use very small amounts of it, so investing in this is a real good idea. I'll take a very small, probably you will not be able to even see. I will apply that small onto my frame, and then I will try and stick it over here. And this is not going to come out for many days. If you see the frame over here, that again is stuck by the same thing. I can just remove it and you will see there is no stain marks also, and there is no marks on this will not slide into your paper also. Again, just to put it, because there is already some kind of a very light gel that you can see the shiny thing, I just have to go and stick it, and this frame will stick onto it for at least 10-15 days with no problem of hassle of coming down. This is the biggest problem that most of the miniaturists face. Things where they have put, they will come out because they are so minute. Hence we use the museum wax. Usually people tend to use this tape, but we would suggest don't use the marking tape. Try using the one which is the museum wax. It will hold on for a longer time. This is the museum wax I was talking about. It hold on for a longer time, and it's really good. So for the miniaturists who are beginning or who really have want to invest in miniatures and want to learn and make beautiful miniatures, this would be really an added benefit to your miniature toolkit or the things that you're going to have in your studio. If you have any questions, do message me. Thank you.